So maybe I've got a lot to learn, or maybe I'm just hanging on my words, or maybe it's not a big concern. But if I raise my hand, would I understand why I'm better with you? So maybe there's not a lot to say, or maybe I'm wrong doing things my way, yeah. Or maybe things will be okay. But if I get it together and do something clever, I'll make it better with you. So tell me, where did I go wrong before you came along? Well, it seems like I was lost. You showed me how to do things right. Now I'm so glad that now you're mine. So let me say it all again. So maybe there's not a lot to do, or maybe I'm just making myself confused, or maybe I've got nothing to lose. But if I get out of line, just tell me you're mine and how I'm better